In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use WhatsApp Web on your Android phone. So this is my primary WhatsApp app, and as you can see in this WhatsApp app, I'm using my primary WhatsApp account. And now if you wish to use your secondary WhatsApp account at the same time, then you can just go to your browser. You can use any browser you want. In your browser, you have to type web.whatsapp.com. So just go to web.whatsapp.com, and from here we have to enable desktop site. So tap on this three dot at the top right corner, and here enable desktop site. And then here you get your web.whatsapp.com login QR code. Now we have to scan this QR code from our another WhatsApp application. So I'm just going to my another phone. So now I'm just opening my WhatsApp application in phone, and I'm just going to my WhatsApp settings, tapping on linked devices and tapping on add a link device, and scanning these WhatsApp web QR code from my another phone, just like this. And here we can see I've successfully logged in to a different WhatsApp account using WhatsApp Web. So now at the same time, I can use two different WhatsApp accounts. One is in web and the second one is in WhatsApp application. So that's how we can actually use WhatsApp Web on our Android phone. Thanks for watching.